With the advancement in technology, the usual emphasis on cost, growth, and control has been replaced by a laser focus on innovation, customer service, quality, and employee empowerment. Obsolete business processes, disjointed organizations, fragmented work routines, and complex performance management mechanisms in traditional firms aren't able to cope with the revolutionary business models and practices that startups are employing to disrupt established players. For the established organizations to compete against lean startups necessitates rapid transformation and breakthrough improvement using new rules, conceptualization of efficient processes, and generating creative ideas. This framework provides a detailed overview of the 7 core principles of business process reengineering that organizations need to focus on to overhaul their ways of doing business, existing processes, and work routines. Reengineering warrants changing everything associated with processes, job designs, hierarchies, management systems, etc. in an integrated manner. The slide deck also includes some slide templates for you to use in your own business presentations. Want to learn more? To view this full document, check out the page linked to in the description below.